Hello, kids, and welcome to the ABC Alphabet Show, where each letter takes the stage with exciting words just for you. Welcome the amazing letter A to the stage. Hi, I am A. I start the alphabet adventure. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for alligator. A is for airplane. A is for astronaut. A is for acorn. This is A. A is for apple, ant, alligator, airplane, astronaut, acorn. Apple is dancing with its leafy moves. Apple starts with A. Let's cheer for the brilliant B. Hi, I am B. Let's bounce into some fun. B is for ball. B is for butterfly. B is for beer. B is for boat. B is for bee. B is for balloon. This is B. B is for ball, butterfly, beer, boat, bee, balloon. Balloons are flying up from the surprise box. So balloons start with B. Clap for the cool letter C. Hi, I am C. Come see what starts with me. C is for cat. C is for car. C is for cake. C is for crab. C is for cloud. C is for camera. This is C. C is for cat, car, cake, crab, cloud, camera. Cat is skating happily on a snowy ice. So cat starts with C. Drum roll for the dancing letter D. Hi, I am D. I am here to drum up some fun. D is for dog. D is for duck. D is for drum. D is for dolphin. D is for door. D is for dinosaur. This is D. D is for dog, duck, drum, dolphin, door, dinosaur. A drum is beating loudly on stage. Drum starts with D. Enter the exciting letter E. Hi, I am E. Let's explore exciting words together. E is for elephant. E is for egg. E is for eagle. E is for ear. E is for earth. E is for engine. This is E. E is for elephant, egg, eagle, ear, earth, engine. Three eggs are jumping with joy. So egg starts with E. Now make some noise for the fantastic F. Hi, I am F. I am full of fun and friends. F is for fish. F is for frog. F is for flower. F is for fire. F is for fox. F is for feather. This is F. F is for fish, frog, flower, fire, fox, feather. Three flowers are smiling under the sun. So flowers start with F. Give it up for the great letter G. Hi, I am G. Get ready for giggles and games. G is for goat. G is for grapes. G is for gorilla. G is for guitar. G is for grass. G is for globe. This is G. G is for goat, grapes, gorilla, guitar, grass, globe. An owl is rocking with a guitar solo. Guitar starts with G. Here comes the happy letter H. Hi, I am H. Say hello to happy words. H is for horse. H is for hat. H is for house. H is for helicopter. H is for honey. H is for heart. This is H. H is for horse, hat, house, helicopter, honey, heart. A magician dog is doing tricks with his hat. Hat starts with H. Introducing the incredible letter I. Hi, I am I. Imagine all the cool letters with me. I is for ice cream. I is for igloo. I is for Iceland. I is for insect. I is for iron. I is for iceberg. This is I. I is for ice cream, igloo, Iceland, insect, iron, iceberg. A book opens up to a magical Iceland. Iceland starts with I. Now jump for the joyful letter J. Hi, I am J. I love to jump and joke. J is for jelly. J is for jaguar. J is for juice. J is for jacket. J is for jump. J is for jellyfish. This is J. J is for jelly, jaguar, juice, jacket, jump, jellyfish. The Joker is bouncing high on a trampoline. Joker starts with J. Here comes the kind letter K. Hi, I am K. Let's kick off with kindness. K is for kite. K is for kangaroo. K is for key. K is for koala. K is for king. K is for kitchen. This is K. K is for kite, kangaroo, key, koala, king, kitchen. King is waving to his royal audience. King starts with K. Let's cheer for the lovely L. Hi, I am L. I love letters and laughters. L is for lion. L is for lemon. L is for ladder. L is for ladybug. L is for lamp. L is for leaf. This is L. L is for lion, lemon, ladder, ladybug, lamp, leaf. Three leaves are playing together. Leaves start with L. Make room for magnificent M. Hi, I am M. Meet me and my magical words. M is for monkey. M is for moon. M is for mountain. M is for mouse. M is for mug. M is for mushroom. This is M. M is for monkey, moon, mountain, mouse, mug, mushroom. Three monkeys are swinging and hanging upside down. Monkey starts with M. Now on stage, nice letter N. Hi, I am N. Now let's name some nice things. N is for nest. N is for net. N is for nose. N is for night. N is for nut. N is for nurse. This is N. N is for nest, net, nose, night, nut, nurse. Basketball swishes into the net. Net starts with N. On stage, the outstanding O. Hi, I am O. I have got some awesome words. O is for octopus. O is for orange. O is for owl. O is for ocean. O is for onion. O is for oven. This is O. O is for octopus, orange, owl, ocean, onion, oven. Owl is sipping coffee like a boss in the office. Owl starts with O. Please welcome the playful P. Hi, I am P. Let's play with some popping words. P is for penguin. P is for pig. P is for pizza. P is for parrot. P is for pencil. P is for pumpkin. This is P. P is for penguin, pig, pizza, parrot, pencil, pumpkin. Pizza slices are moving up and down. Pizza start with P. Quickly now, it's queenly Q. Hi, I am Q. Quiet please, it's my turn now. Q is for queen. Q is for quilt. Q is for quail. Q is for question. Q is for quarter. Q is for quiz. This is Q. Q is for queen, quilt, quail, question, quarter, quiz. Queen is waving proudly on stage. Queen starts with Q. Raise the curtain for radiant R. Hi, I am R. Ready to roll with fun words? Let's go. R is for rabbit. R is for rainbow. R is for robot. R is for rose. R is for rain. R is for ring. This is R. R is for rabbit, rainbow, robot, rose, rain, ring. A colorful rainbow is appearing in the sky. Rainbow starts with R. Spotlight on Super S. Hi, I am S. I am super, silly, and smart. S is for sun. S is for snake. S is for star. S is for spider. S is for ship. S is for sandwich. This is S. S is for sun, snake, star, spider, ship, sandwich. Spider is hanging down on a silky thread. Spider starts with S. Time for terrific T. Hi, I am T. Time to talk about terrific things. T is for tiger. T is for tree. T is for train. T is for turtle. T is for tomato. T is for tent. This is T. T is for tiger, tree, train, turtle, tomato, tent. Train is running on the track. Train starts with T. Now unleash the unique you. Hi, I am you. You will love the words I bring. U is for umbrella. U is for unicorn. U is for uniform. U is for urchin. U is for ukulele. U is for universe. This is U. U is for umbrella, unicorn, uniform, urchin, ukulele, universe. Umbrella is having fun playing with the ball. Umbrella starts with U. Voice your cheer for vibrant V. Hi, I am V. Very happy to be here. V is for violin. V is for volcano. V is for vase. V is for vampire. V is for van. V is for vegetables. This is V. V is for violin, volcano, vase, vampire, van, vegetables. Volcano is bursting with fizz and fire. Volcano starts with V. Wave hello to wonderful W. Hi, I am W. I have got wonderful words. W is for whale. W is for watermelon. W is for wolf. W is for window. W is for wind. W is for warm. This is W. W is for whale, watermelon, wolf, window, wind, warm. Watermelon is dancing to the beat. Watermelon starts with W. Next up, the extra cool X. Hi, I am X and I am super excited today. X is for X-ray. X is for xylophone. X is for Xerox. X is for Xenops. X is for X mark. X is for Xebec. This is X. X is for X-ray, xylophone, Xerox, Xenops, X mark, Xebec. Xylophone is playing a happy tune. Xylophone starts with X. Here comes the yummy letter Y. Hi, I am Y. Let's learn together. Y is for yacht. Y is for yak. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yellow. Y is for yawn. Y is for yogurt. This is Y. Y is for yacht, yak, yo-yo, yellow, yawn, yogurt. Letter Y is spinning a yo-yo like a pro. Yo-yo starts with Y. Zoom in on the zippy Z. Hi, I am Z. Zoom in for the final fun. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. Z is for zip. Z is for zero. Z is for zucchini. Z is for zeppelin. This is Z. Z is for zebra, zoo, zip, zero, zucchini, zeppelin. Kids are cheering inside the zoo. Zoo starts with Z. Bravo! You learned A to Z 26 letters and 156 amazing new words. Now don't forget to like, share and subscribe to your favorite channel Kids FunToon. See you next time. Bye bye. Take care.